You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town located in Florida. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons coming up for you here at the end of the video. Let's break it down. Stein, not Stein or Stein. Stein would be German. It's not German, obviously. Steinhatchee. Steinhatchee. Easy once you know. Steinhatchee, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.